This tutorial demonstrates the use of Stratus specifically for referees. In this tutorial we'll cover getting started with Stratus and subscribing to match data, including match video. We'll then generate a playlist for that match and then share it online where other users can collaborate with us and discuss the playlist. To start up Stratus, there should be a shortcut on your desktop. You'll then log in with your email and password. To start, we go to the subscription screen. The first step is subscribing to match data, and then go ahead and choose the ABSA Currie Cup Premier Division 2015 and click apply. The first time you start up Stratus, it'll take a while just to download some base information that it needs, and then it'll also take a few minutes to download the specific match data that you've subscribed to. Once that's finished, if we want to view video on our local machine, we need to add video for that match. The way to do that is you add it as a monitored folder. So go to Video Library, click on Monitored Folders, and then add a folder that contains the video of interest. There should be a video for a specific match that was provided with the install of Stratus. If you don't have it, you can also download it online from our webpage. If you have the video, go ahead and click Add Folder, and then choose a folder that contains the video. This is optional. You don't have to add video on your local machine. It just means that you won't be able to see the video when editing it here. You'll still be able to see the video in the online version after we share the playlist. We'll get to that in a bit. Okay, so now that we have match data, the next step is to generate a playlist for that match. The way to do that is to go to the reports section. We'll create a match report. Just turn off the date filter so that we see all matches that we've subscribed to. And then let's choose the Golden Lions versus Western Province. You'll notice these green icons here, that indicates that we have video for the match. Again, if you don't have video for the match, it's okay. It just means you won't see video when editing it on your local machine. So click on that match. And then let's choose a line-out summary. There are also many other kinds of reports you can generate. There's also a referee report section. For this demo, we'll just choose a line-out. Then in this report, there's lots of stats regarding line-outs for this match. Choose any stat and it'll generate a playlist for you. Again, it's not a problem if you don't have video at this stage. You can still create a playlist. Let's give it a name. And then save the playlist. Now that we've generated a playlist for the match, we can view the online version of it by clicking on the portal link. This opens up a link to the Stratus webpage. Log in with the same details that you used to log into the application with, and that'll bring you to the dashboard. There's also quite a few other tutorials here in this section. To view our playlist, you go to the playlist section, My Playlists, and you should see the playlist that you just created. I have quite a few that I've made earlier. You'll probably only have the one. And go ahead and view the playlist. Now at the bottom of this playlist, you'll notice a discussion section. This is what you can use to collaborate with other users on the playlist. Create a new discussion and give it a name. and then you can start posting entries to the discussion. To add other users to the discussion and to share this playlist with them, click on the users icon, and then the search icon to search for other users. To assign the user to the discussion, click the Assign button, and you'll see that the discussion now has 2 users involved. This user will now see the playlist when he logs into the Stratus portal under Shared Playlists. He can then view the same playlist and collaborate with you by discussing it. Thank you.